Hello, good people. Another day in this Shein sweatshirt. Another day. Another day. Okay, well, anyway, another OOTD. I am on my way to work. Like I said, I am in this Shein sweatshirt again. Absolutely love it. Love it, love it, love it. This is a Shein skirt, which I probably should have ironed, but I didn't. Glasses is also from Shein. Everyday jewelry, like I always say, from TikTok, Amazon, TikTok, and Etsy. This ring is from a cruise. My nails are from Shein. This rings here are from Amazon. Today's shoes, I am going to be wearing my Nikes here. I'm going to be wearing those today. And then my purse is my Charles and Keith purse I'm wearing today, doing some silver. And then my coat, I'm going to be doing a first row varsity coat jacket that I got from Fashion Nova. So yeah, this is the OOT today. OOT today. All right, bye.